Chapter 4, Part 1. Shamsuddin Tabrizi, Muhammad, son of Ali, son of Malik God. Shamsuddin of Tabriz was surnamed the Sultan of Mendicants, the mystery of God upon earth, the perfect in word and deed. Some had styled him the flyer, because he traveled about so much, and others spoke of him as the perfect one of Tabriz. He went about seeking for instruction, human and spiritual. He had visited many of the chief spiritual teachers of the world, but he found none equal to himself. The teachers of all lands became, therefore, pupils and disciples to him. Now, whether someone's equal or more or less, it doesn't mean that they don't have value in approaching them. But if you're looking for someone to learn, it's not just a couple things and you move on. He was always in quest of the beloved object of the soul, God. His corporeal frame he habited in coarsest felt, shrouding his eminent greatness from all eyes in what are really the jeweled robes of spirituality. At Damascus, it was, where he was then studying, that he first saw Jalaluddin by chance in a crowded marketplace. But Jalal, who was at that time a student, also avoided him. Ultimately, he was led to Konya in Jalal's traces, and first arrived there at dawn. On Saturday, the 26th of Jamad al-Akhir, al-Hijra, 642, the sixth month of the year, the 28th of November, 1244, the Common Era, Jalal being then professor at 4 colleges there, they met, as is related in a former chapter. At the end of 3 months, seclusion together passed in religious, scientific, and spiritual disquisitions and in investigations. Shamsuddin became satisfied that he had never met Jalal's equal. And half-working is very often best done with others. Now, would I say the retreat has to have somebody there doing the retreat with you? No. But, certain working through themes and that sort of stuff. So chapter 3, number 8 and 9 would be referred to there.